Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more luxurious than booking a Delta One suite for a long-haul flight, but when you are doing it with a nursing baby in tow, even the most glamorous vacation can feel a little intimidating. If you are prepping to fly up front with your little one, whether you are heading to a gorgeous resort in Hawaii or a luxury getaway in Europe, you do not have to stress. Flying business class with a baby is a total game changer, but it does require a serious strategy. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to navigate the Delta One experience with a nursing infant so you can live your absolute best bougie life at 35,000 feet. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for high-end travel and motherhood without losing your sanity or your premium aesthetic. We know that having a baby doesn't mean you stop craving first-class service or beautiful destinations. Grab a mimosa and let's get into the ultimate guide to flying Delta One as a breastfeeding mama. Let's start with a pre-flight strategy, because the luxury experience begins way before you board the aircraft. When you are flying Delta One, you get access to the Delta Sky Club, or if you are flying out of JFK or LAX, the ultra-exclusive Delta One Lounge. Use this space to your advantage. Finding a quiet, plush corner in the lounge to nurse your baby right before boarding is a major power move. It ensures your little one has a full tummy and is completely relaxed before the chaos of boarding begins. If you are traveling with a high-end stroller like UPPAbaby or Nuna, you can gate check it for free, but make sure to ask the gate agent for a tag before general boarding starts. And here is a pro tip for your diaper bag. Even though Delta One gives you a gorgeous amenity kit, pack your own designer tote with plenty of extra diapers, wipes, and a change of clothes for both you and the baby. Blowouts happen, even in business class, and you want to be fully prepared. Once you step onto the plane, the real magic happens, but you need to know how to maximize that space. The Delta One suites offer incredible privacy, closing doors, and lie-flat seats, which are an absolute dream for nursing mamas. During takeoff and landing, the rules state that your baby must be securely held in your lap. This is actually the perfect time to nurse. The change in cabin pressure can hurt tiny ears, so getting your baby to latch during the ascent and descent forces them to swallow, preventing any mid-flight meltdowns. Once you are at cruising altitude, you can lay that seat completely flat, creating a massive, cozy bed for you and your little one. You can easily cuddle up, nurse comfortably in a side-lying position, and catch some much-needed sleep. If you are pumping to keep your supply up or save some ounces for later, the closing suite doors give you all the privacy you need. You can pop in your wearable pumps, sit back, and enjoy a premium movie without feeling exposed. Now, let's talk about the crew and the luxury amenities. The flight attendants in Delta One are notoriously attentive, so do not be shy about asking for help. If you need to rinse out your pump parts or a bottle, ask the crew for bottled water. Never use the lavatory tap water for baby gear. If you brought along a travel chiller to keep your milk cold, the flight attendants can easily provide you with extra ice to keep those ounces perfectly chilled for the duration of the flight. When the multi-course dining service begins, let the crew know if you need them to hold your tray or serve your meal later if the baby is sleeping on you. They are more than happy to accommodate a VIP mama. Flying Delta One with a nursing baby does not have to be overwhelming. With the right luxury gear, a private suite, and these expert hacks, you can turn a long flight into a relaxing, pampered experience for both you and your little one. If you loved these luxury travel tips and want more real talk on navigating motherhood in style, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your ultimate hack for flying with a baby. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.